Hello everybody. In this video, we will learn how to use the online labs in our course. Specifically, we will focus on content notebooks. So let's look at an example. Getting started with images. First, let's click on the online lab section. Click on the button that says Open Notebook to run the lab notebooks. We are using a third-party provider for online labs. They need some information to create a unique ID for you. Press OK and continue. Depending on your internet speed, it can take a minute or two to load the workbench. Sometimes we will also refer to this as a workspace. So workbench and workspace are the same thing. Okay, it has loaded. The first thing you need to ensure is that you're working on the latest version of the notebook. To do that, click on Actions, click on Reset Assignment, and press Yes. This will ensure that you have the latest version of the notebook. Please make sure you do this step. We may make occasional changes to the notebooks to fix bugs and even add a bit of additional content based on the feedback we receive. So it is crucial to update the notebook. Let's click on the notebook. We are discussing how to get started with images here. In the notebook, you will find the entire content, which includes the entire code and explanation. You can directly run it here. We have imported the modules. We have now read the image and we have printed it as well. Now, what if we want to see what is the data type of this variable test image? We can directly do it here. testimage.dtype, and you can directly run this and we can see that it's an 8-bit unsigned integer. As you can see, you can actually run your new code. I encourage you to use this whenever you want to try something new. Now let's save it and let's see how we can use these online labs and study along with these notebooks. Go through the content in the course. We are talking about images as a matrix. We would recommend you go through the course material, and when you encounter a piece of code, you can directly go back to the notebooks and you can run those cells. If you have followed this video, you should be able to run the notebook we have shared with you. What if you want to create a new notebook? Well, click on New, click on Python 3 version 3.6, and a new notebook will pop open. So let's name it My Notebook. Let's begin by importing some libraries and printing the standard Hello World message. And there you go. So this is how you can create a whole new notebook. You've been working with images that we have provided in the course. These images are also present in online labs. What if you want to run the code on your own images? All you need to do is click on Upload and you will see your own file system. Get the image you want to try. Click on Upload and this will upload the image to your workspace. Let's go back to the new notebook that we have created and we can directly read the image here. Now let us import Matplotlib as well, and we can directly see the images here. There you go. So this is how you can work with your own images. Now we have already talked about resetting the workspace, but keep in mind, whenever you reset a workspace, it will reset the entire progress you have made. So we recommend you download your notebook in .ipynb format. This is the Jupyter Notebook format. Once it is downloaded, you can go back to Actions, reset your assignment workspace, and then you can upload the notebook that you have already saved. The process is the same as uploading new images or new data. Click on Upload, upload the notebook that you have just downloaded, and now you can continue working on this notebook. One very important thing to keep in mind is that you cannot use any GUI features or graphical user interface features in online labs. For example, you cannot use the functions IAMShow, wait key, named window, destroy window, and so on. That's all for this video. In the next video, we will learn how we can use online labs for assignments. Thank you.